Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. In this exercise you will be see 6.5 you will be see Pythagoras theorem. So that first question, side of triangle are given below. Determine which of them are right triangle. In case of right triangle, write the length of its hypotenuse. So that the longest side square is equal to sum of the smaller side. That is a Pythagoras theorem. So that first one is yes, because 25 square is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. So hypotenuse is longest side 25. Second is no, because 8 square not is equal to 3 square plus 6 square. Third is also no. Fourth is yes, 13 square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square and hypotenuse is 13. And then now second question, PQR is a triangle, right angle at P, and M is a point QR such that PM perpendicular this one, so that PM square is equal to QM is equal to multiply MR. So that second question, that will be PQR is a right angle triangle. PQR and PQR, and this is a 90-degree angle, and then PM is a point on QR. PM is a point of QR. So that we will find that PM square is equal to, that is QM multiply MR. So that let angle MPQ is equal to X. So angle Q will be 90 minus X, because this is the 90 degree. And then angle MPR is equal to, that will be 90 minus X. So that angle R is equal to, obviously that will be X. So by A rule, that will be triangle PQM is equal to, similar triangle PQM. So that will be PRM. So first of all we will take this one, that will be PM. So that will be PM upon, that we will take PM upon QM is equal to, that will be RM upon PM for both triangles. So by cross multiply, PM square is equal to QM multiply RM. Prove that. Next, third question is that, I think diagram is given here, that is A, B, D, and then this perpendicular is C. So that triangle at A, so that A is also 90 degree, because this is a right angle triangle. So that first part is, we need to prove that AB square is equal to BC multiply BD. So AB square is equal to BC plus BD. So first of all we will see that in triangle, that one and whole one, this one and this one. So that angle B is common angle ABC is equal to angle BAD, that is a 90 by perpendiculars. So by AAA rule, because two angles are equal, then third angle also will be equal. It means we are doing this like this same question, that means triangle ABD similar triangle that ABC. So AB means, first of all we will take AB upon, for the longer side we have taken AB, so shorter side we will take that BC is equal to, for the longer side we will take BD, so that will be AB. So AB multiply AB square is equal to BC multiply BD. Similarly you will be do second part, AC square, that one, and then BC square plus DC square. It means the similar question of that one. Second part is similar question of second question. AD square is equal to BD plus CD, the similar type of that one, first part. So you can do that one. Third part also you can do. And then fourth question is that ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C, and then isosceles also, so that ABC, that is a C, and these two sides are also equal. So that we know that AB square is equal to that BC square plus AC square. So AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square, because AC is equal to BC by similar triangle, that in bracket given. So AB square is equal to 2AC square. Now that fifth question, ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to BC. So prove that if this one is this, prove that it is ABC is a right angle. So very simple, same diagram we will see here. So that AB square is equal to 2AC square. So AB square is equal to AC square plus AC square. So 2 times is there, so we have written 2 times. So on the place of AC we can write BC square, because both are equal is given. AC is equal to BC is given that. So if that one is Pythagoras template, so angle C is, prove that ABC is a right angle. So ABC is a right angle triangle. So ABC is a right angle triangle. Next, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A for each of its altitude. So that sixth question we can see here, ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. So ABC is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. A, B, C, this and this side are equal. This is the perpendicular. so that in triangle ABD, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square, so that A is that 2A square is equal to that half of that one is A plus AD square, so that 4A square minus 3 A is equal to AD square, so that AD square is equal to that is 3A square. So AD is equal to under root 3A. Under root 3A. Write it. Next. Next. Seventh question. Next, seventh question, that will be prove that the sum of the equilateral of square of the side of rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonal. Prove that the square of the rhombus. So that first of all we will draw the rhombus. A rhombus. That is A, B, C, D, that will be O. So rhombus, we know that bisect each other 90 degree, so that in triangle ABO, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square, and then that will be similarly in triangle BOC, that will be BC square is equal to OB square plus OC square. Now in triangle COD, CD square plus OC square plus that CD square is equal to OC square plus OD square. Now in triangle DOA, that AD square is equal to OD square plus OA square. First, second, third, fourth equation. From equation first, second, third and fourth, that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to, that will be, we have taken 2 times of that one, so that will be OA, OB, OC, OD. So that will be that OA plus OD is equal to, that will be BD square plus AC square. So that we need prove that the sum of the square of the side of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of the diagonal. So that will become. Next, eighth question, that will be what will be the 8th question? That of diagram is given there. A, B, C, that E 90 degree, that 90 degree, 90 degree. So first is that prove that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. CE square. So first of all, we will join that one diagonals. So OA, that is O. OA means this one triangle or that one. See that OC, OA, OB, OC, OD. Something is left is D and F also. So we are taking that AF also. So this one triangle will take, this one triangle and this one triangle we will take. So that OA square is equal to, that will be AF square plus and then OF square. OF square. Something is left here. Yes, plus OF square is left here. Minus OF square. And for this triangle, that will be, for this triangle, OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. That one. And then for third, that is OC square is equal to that OE square plus CE square. So third, from equation first and second, from equation first, second and third, that OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to AF square plus OF square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus CE square. So that OD, OE, OF we will take this side. So OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus that OD square minus that will OE square minus that one 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then OF also is there. So OF square is equal to, left thing is AF square plus BD square plus CE square. Prove that. And then second part of that, AF square plus BD square, AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So that here we have already proved that. So that will be, which one we have proved? This one we have proved already. CA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. CE square. AF square plus BD square. AF square plus BD square plus CE square. We have already proved. So similarly similarly that will become that one, all the things, this one same come, CA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to, and then left will be AE square will become AE square plus CD square plus that will be BF square, that will become. Now that these cancel by this, so that will be left from equation that we can write the name of that equation is third we have taken fourth, and that will be fifth. From equation fourth and fifth, that will be AE square plus CD square plus BF square is equal to, that will be left thing is AF square plus BD square plus CE square. And then question number 9, a ladder 10 meter long ladder is that one, reach a wire 8 meter above the ground, that is 8 meter above the ground, that is 8 meter, and find the distance of the foot of ladder from the base and wall. So that distance we need to find, that means base we are finding. So base square plus P perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. So base we need to find, so that this one will be 8 square is equal to 10 square. So base square is equal to 100 minus 64. So base is equal to, that will be under root, that is 36. So base is equal to, that will be 6 meter. And then question number 10th, that will be a gun wire attach a vertical pole of a height 18 meter, that is a height of 18 meter, and then meter is 24 meter long and has a stack attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should be stack be driven so that the wire will be tight? So how far the distance? So distance will be find, that one you can find the similarly like is 9th question. And then 10th question, an aeroplane leave an airport and fly due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leave the same airport and fly the west at a speed of 120 km per hour. So that is a one side and this is another side. How far apart will be the two plane after 1.5 hours? So that this will be how it come 115, that will be the distance of first aeroplane is equal to, that is 1.5, it means 3/2 into, that will be 1000. So that is a 500. So that will become 1500. Similarly, distance of second aeroplane is equal to 3/2, that is 1200. So that 6, that is 1800 meter. So that we need to find h square. So h square is equal to p square plus b square. So that h square is equal to p is, that is 1500 100 square plus that is 1800 square, that will be 15 15 is 225, 0000, so 18 18 is 324, 0000, that will be h square. So h is under root 1 2 3 4 5 4 9 2 2 4 3 2 5. So that h is equal to the square root of that one will be 300 under root 61 meter. And then next question, 12th question, that will be two pole of height 6 meter and 11 meter, 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of pole is 12 meter, so that will be 12 meter, so this will be also 12 meter. Find the distance between their top, so we will find that one. So here also h square is equal to p square plus b square. So we are doing on this triangle, so this is the 5 centimeter because this is a 6 centimeter and total is 11, so 11 less 6, that is a 5. So h square is equal to, that will be 5 square plus 6 square is equal to 25 plus 36, so h is equal to, that will be 6 5 11, and then 6 5 that, sorry, this is the 12, sorry, this is the 12, base is 12, 12 12 is 144, so that is 169, so h is equal to, that is 13, that is 13. So distance of pole is equal to, we will write here distance of their top is equal to 13 meter or centimeter, so ever is given there. Next question, that will be D and E are point on the side CA CB, that CA CB respectively of the triangle of ABC, angle at C, prove that this one. So this one we will do. Thirteenth question. So diagram, first of all we will draw that ABC on C is a right angle triangle, that ABC, this is the 90 degree, and then D and E, D point in on AC, and then E point on BC, E, and then we will join that one also, and this one also, and then this one also. So we need to prove that AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. So that first of all we will take in triangle ABC, AB square is equal to BC square plus, that is AC square, first equation. Now in triangle ACE, so AE square is equal to that AC square plus CE square, second equation. Now in triangle that BCD, so that BD square is equal to BC square plus CD square, that's the third equation. And then now in triangle CDE, that DE square is equal to CE square plus CD square, this is the fourth equation. From equation first second, third and fourth. That will be AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square, and other part will be cancelled. CE cancel by CE, CD cancel by CD, BC cancel by BC, and AC cancel by AC. Now the 14th question. Diagram is already given here. Diagram is already given here. So you will be see that A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. That diagram is already given here, and that is a 90 degree also. And then at C is 90 degree also is given there. So that prove that AE, just a note of that one, yes. So that, and one thing more is given here, DB is equal to 3CD, 3CD. So that CD is equal to, that will be, first of all we will find BD is equal to, that will be 3/4 BC, 3/4 BC, because 1 part and 3 part is your 4 part, so that is 3. And then CD is equal to 1/4 BC, because that is only 1 part. Now in like this we can say AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. So that we will not write AD square, and AD square is equal to, that will be AC square minus CD square. So AC square minus CD square. We need here only that one thing, AB, AC and BC, AB, AC and BC. So on that place we will write the BC. So AB square minus BD means 3/4 BC square is equal to AC, we have already here, and then CD, that is 1/4 BC whole square. So that AB square minus 3 is 9/16 BC square is equal to AC square minus 1/16 BC square. So that 16 AB square minus 9 BC square by LCM of that one, and then 16 AC square minus BC square by LCM, so that one cancel. So 16 AB square is equal to 16 AC square minus, that will be plus 8 BC square, because this will be go that side, so that will be plus. So 9 less 1, 8, and then 8 is a common for everyone. So 16 AB square is equal to, that 8 is common, so that 2 AC square plus BC square. So 8 2 is 16, so 2 AB square is equal to 2 AC square plus BC square. That is approved. Now the question number 15. Question number 15. That in an isosceles triangle ABC, D is a point on BC. So first of all we will draw the ABC. A, B, C, and D on that point is here, and then we will write that one E point also. E point also. So that we need to prove 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. So that let AB is equal to A. So that will be A. This will be also A. and this will be also A, because this is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So that one thing more is given, BD is equal to 1 upon 3 that BC. That is 1 upon 3 BC is given already here. So that what we will do that now for this one, so that BE is equal to, that will be half of BE is a half of that one, full of that, because this is the midpoint, median of by the median, or that was a 90 degree, so that will be median also, that and AE is equal to under root 3 upon 2A, under root 3 upon 2A by the Pythagoras theorem. That will be how that will become, that is A is perpendicular square, sorry, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square minus AE. So this will be go that side, so calculation will become this one. And then after BD is given, that one also, so that will be BD is equal to 1 upon 3A, 1 upon 3A. Now that DE is equal to A upon 2 minus A upon 3, so that will become A upon 6, A upon 6, that will become, so AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square, so that A under root 3 upon 2 square plus A upon 6 square, so that will be 3 upon 4A square plus that will be A square upon 36, A square upon 36, so that 36, so that will be LCM is 36, so 4 9 ja 9 3 ja 27 A square plus A square. Now we will see here, so AD square is equal to, that is 28 A square upon that 36, so by 4 9 ja 4 7 ja, so that AD square is equal to 7 upon 9A. A means we have here AB, so that AB square by cross multiply 9 AD square is equal to, that is 7 AB square. That's approved. Now the question number 16, that in an equilateral triangle prove that the three side of a square of the one side of is equal to the 4 time of the square of the one altitude. So that 16th question, first of all equilateral triangle we will draw that A B C, and then this is the D point D, and then we know that suppose let AB is equal to A, AB is equal to A, so that BD is equal to A upon 2, A upon 2, that will be half by equilateral triangle. So AB square, so here we can write in triangle ABD, AB square is equal to that AD square plus BD square, so that A square is equal to, that will be that will be AD is AD we will write here plus BD A upon 2 square. So that A square is equal to AD means AD square plus A square upon 4. Now that A square is equal to 4 AD square by that one A square upon 4. So that will become by cross multiply 4 A square is equal to 4 AD square plus A square. So 4 A square minus A square is equal to 4 AD square. So that 4 less 1 3 A square is equal to 4 AD square. So A we have already supposed here AB. So 3 AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Now the question number 17. Take the correct answer and justify in triangle ABC. A is equal to under root 3, 6 under root 3, AC is equal to 12, BC is equal to 6. Then angle B will be we will apply here that so longest side is that 12 square. So 12 square is equal to that will be 6 square plus 6 under root 3 square. So 12 12 ja 144 is equal to 6 ja 36 plus 36 3 ja 3 6 ja 18 or 3 3 ja 9 1 10. That will be 108. So 144 is equal to 144. That is a Pythagoras triplet. So angle B is equal to that will be 90 degree. It means option C is right.